Look, it's not a clear-cut answer, and certainly you can't go, oh yes, it's too much, or it's the adequate amount. It's on a case-by-case basis, and so it really depends on the extent of balding, the surface area that needs to be covered, the density that you want to try and achieve. However, as a singular procedure, 5,000 grafts, it's certainly not something that I do in my practice. Even if I were to split it over 2 days, I wouldn't do that. I like to take it slow and make sure. I always say that first graft has to be planted with the same care as the last graft. And I don't want to be driven by time. That said, regardless to that, the concept of having 5,000 grafts, my concern with that is that you're going to over-deplete the donor area, or you're at risk of doing that. And depending on the age of the patient that's having the procedure done, that can be catastrophic later on in life as the hair loss progresses, or as we experience age-related thinning. So if I were to make a general rule about what my feeling is about a number like 5,000 grafts, it probably is a bit too much in one session. Certainly over the lifetime of an individual, that's perfectly reasonable. When you know that medical therapy is going to stabilize things, then I think that's pretty good. But as a general rule, I probably wouldn't do that in one case.